To determine if you qualify for the Clean Vehicle Credit, log into your Intuit TurboTax account. Navigate to the Energy Efficient Vehicle section located under Deductions and Credits. Scroll until you locate the credit under the Cars and Other Things You Own section. Then select Start. The Clean Vehicle Credit ranges from $4,000 to $7,500, depending on the type of vehicle, and comes with precise requirements. To qualify, you must purchase the vehicle for personal use, not for resale, and it should primarily be used in the United States. Additionally, income limits apply based on your tax filing status. $300,000 for married couples filing jointly, $225,000 for heads of households, and $150,000 for all other filers. Beginning in 2024, the credit can be applied directly at the dealership as a discount on the purchase price. Note that the credit cannot exceed your total tax liability, and unused portions cannot be carried forward, except for business vehicles. On the first page, select Yes, then Continue. TurboTax will guide you through a series of questions to ensure your vehicle meets all credit requirements. Details of your energy-efficient vehicle purchase are required to complete IRS forms. If transferring your credit to the dealership, your credit will be zero on your tax return. If you need more help, visit ttlc.intuit.com/community.